Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to show you how to create function in Python. So let's get started. So create a function. First you need to type def, and then suppose you want to greet people and you want to create function. For this we need to type greet, and then now what I'm going to do, you are very welcome to visit our hotel, and then so yeah, so this is my function. So now I have typed greet, and then inside it I am going to enter Adam. Oh, I have to, okay, sorry, I closed it with. So now, so suppose okay, now you can see you are very welcome to visit our hotel, Adnan. So now what I'm going to do, um, I'm going to create another function. So I want to add something. So I want to create a function which will um, add two numbers together. So now what I'm going to do, so add, and then x and y, and then what it will do, it will return. So this okay, now what, just 1 second. Okay, so now I'm going to add two numbers, and you can see here is my result. Okay, so now what I'm going to, okay, okay, so now I'm going to create another function which will multiply two number. So for this I am typing def, and then I am going to write the function multiply, and then which will return. So yeah, so now what you will do, so now I'm going to enter my two numbers which I want to multiply. So you can see here's the result. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to I want to divide two numbers. So what you will do, so let's type def, and then divide x and y, and then return, which will return x divided y. And then what you will do, this is how you can create so many function with the help of Python. So I'm going to create another function, and then what it will do, okay, this is my function, and then I'm going to enter the number. Yeah, so and now I'm going to create another function. So and it is going to be name age, and name age what it will do. Hello, I am my name hello, I am, and then another, okay, argument is my age is, so it is going to display my result like this. So when I'm going to insert my two variable, then so Adnan and 32, and what we'll do, something went wrong. Yeah, got it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I need to, then, hey, hi, hello, hi, my name is Adnan, and I am Adnan and my age is 32. Okay, so this is how you can create function, and which is very useful. Keep trying and practicing. It will give you so many benefits, and Python is a very important tool, and this is how you can create a app. It this With the help of create a, if you know how to create function, then you can create apps and so many things, software. So thank you all, and keep practicing, and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, best of luck.